to my YouTube channel. Well, if it is hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Maureen. It's the YouTube boob right here. You can find me on all my socials at ms__Maureen. But on Facebook we are at Wambere Maureen. Well, apparently I have been quite kidogo after undergoing a tough loss, but we are back to the charts, checking out where we went wrong. Remember, we are always told that trading, it's all about a discipline and a reset. Okay, this is not my first loss, but anyways, it's all about discipline and resets. So right now we are resetting, going back to the books, going back to the drawing book and checking out what actually happened, and then we can take it from there. Okay, back. Okay, well, opening the charts, you can see gold. So really seriously, like literally buying here. Wow, in the morning, those who are awake in the morning, it was all about buys. Very nice. It opened, let me show you. It opened with this gap and then went up all the way, and yeah, I want us to look at GPSD, blah 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 and all. It also opened with such quite a huge buy. I'm also looking in at the Forex calendar to know what is actually happening today. Yeah, that is one very important step that you should always do. But anyways guys, that's just but it for today morning. We have quite some activities for the day apart from trading and all. Yep. Well, back to reviewing what went wrong. For anyone asking about the brokers that I use, they are linked below in the description. Please learn and practice fast, okay? One step at a time and you will get there. Okay, so for the brokers that I'm currently using or I have been using, just check in the description, just click on the link and then create an account. Yeah, and then you can start from there. So guys, I'm done with trading and all. These are the shoes I'm going to put on. And socks. I was actually planning to put on rubbers and all, but I felt like these ones will do. Because afterwards, I'm going to have like a meetup with a friend. I don't know if we'll still meet or not, but we're going on official business. And then afterwards we're going on official business, and then afterwards I'm going to my job place, blah blah blah, and then we might link up with that friend. I don't know if they'll be in town by the time I'm done with all that. Anyways, our hairstyle of the day, just holding the braids to the top. Like that. Well, I need to do my edges, but I'm not doing them. I'm not in the mood. Like that, and then I'm gonna drop those. Yep. And then I don't know, I'm not sure on the sweater that I'm going to wear, but that is how we look. Yep. And then some lip gloss. Well, the bag I think I'll go in with that bag because there's some items for work that I need to take to work. Okay, going in with this bag. So this is it. Okay. I think that's easy, like that. Eyeshadow or something. No. Well, that girl was like, sister, sister, you know those guys in town who are like, sister, sister, and then you give them like 10 bob, 20, 20, 100, like that. Well, nowadays I don't tolerate them, because one of them was helping him and he actually stole my phone. Imagine. Asante apunda yenyewe ni mateke. Anyways, we are out of the house and here we're heading to Kenya Prower. Please like the video, shares out there. You can always talk to me in the comment section and follow me on my socials. I don't know about you guys, do you actually have those street kids a lot? And one thing I realized about them, they have lots and lots of money. In a hustle, imagine 50 people, 10 people each giving you 50 shillings in a day. You have your 500 shillings. Well, for a minute I'd forgotten this location, but then I remembered this was the place that we used, just next to this place we used to go there and have some bites when I was doing my German lessons. And then I was like, yeah. Nisaidie kama mtu anaingia. Ulikuwa unasaidiwa aje? Nataka kuuliza kuhusu token. Wale ndio kusema hapa. Sasa. Well, seated there, I was like, well, if I was not trading or running my business or employed somewhere, or just all those options, you see those people who are seated on the other side serving us, well, with the right connections and networks, maybe I would be one of them. Because man, you don't get there just like that for this is a conversation that no one wants to talk about. But anyways, anytime I go to a public place, I normally try to do like a review. But then I have gone to so many public places, but the phone that I mentioned, well, they stole my clips, zilikuwa hapo, cause sikuwa nime backup. Those are the people I'm talking about. Lucky them, but still lucky us. Anyways, yep.
Token number CG180. Please proceed to customer service desk 6.
Ile ulinipea iko pochi. Ile namba ulinipea iko pochi.
Ndio niliona kushaenda nikashindwa.
Ndio nilikuwa nimeenda mbali huko kila power. Nika notice like sijatuma. Nilikuwa nimeweka pochi.
Niliona umeenda. Sasa nikaona nikikuita nitakaa like
So I went by my workplace and saw how everything was going, the atmosphere. It was not giving a great day, a great sales day, just a bad day. But all in all, we appreciate whatever comes in a day. I had tea and tea and bread as I watched these guys also play pool. And then later on, we linked up with a friend of mine and went out to have a better time somewhere. I went to check out my competition. In this industry, we went and ordered food, and I made sure that I have tasted every meal on that plate so that I can actually at least just understand or see if they're doing it better than I am, where I should improve when it comes to my business and all. Well, aside from being a forex trader, you gotta invest somewhere, right? Yep. Although these are seasons whereby business is not that good, but inshallah we are hoping that things will get better later on, and also we are thinking of other better ideas. Mungu mbele.
Achana huyo. Kuna before. Tulikuja.
Well, the platter delayed, and my friends were like, they can't wait any longer. We had been told like 15 minutes, so they went outside to have so I was left here and then decided like to look at the charts kidogo and see what the New York session was saying. If whatever we had predicted in the morning was going away, what we had observed in the morning and all. Remember, we said in the morning that we were full buys. The things, it was just buys, especially in the Asian session. But anyways, let's get into the meal.
so many people are tired of waiting. I'm off 15 minutes. Actually 30.
In the meantime, I'm thinking of looking at the market.
Coming now, follow my lead. Coming now, follow my lead.